Hello everybody. Second point, that is second method of breeding is mutation breeding technique. Mutation breeding technique. Mutation, you have heard about, that is a change that is brought out or brought about in the gene, that is sequence of genes that are present on the DNA of a chromosome. So mutation over here is what? How to define it or how to explain it? Mutation is a process by which what happens? Genetic variations are created through changes in base sequence in genes. Mutation has been discussed in chapter number 5, that is about genetics. Now the result is that creation of a new character or trait is done here, and this new character or trait develops which is not present in the parent type. Now inducing mutation in plant through different methods, that is through diverse means, and then afterward screening is done or screening is necessary to identify the presence of desirable gene in the plant, that is the plant in which mutation has been carried out. Now there should be some agent for mutation or some agent should be there which is going to induce the changes in the gene or the DNA. So this is done by artificial method, by use of either some chemicals or by some radiations. Radiation like gamma radiation can be utilized here, and after that selection is done, that is first of all induce mutation has to be induced artificially by the use of chemicals or otherwise radiation, and then that is followed by selection and use of that plant, the plant which is having what? Desirable character as a source of or source in breeding, and this process will be called as mutation breeding. Now there are several wild varieties of different cultivated plants or different cultivated species of plant that has been shown to have certain resistant character, but the problem over there is that they have very low yield. मतलब ये हुआ कि उनके पास रेजिस्टेंस है लेकिन प्रोडक्टिविटी कम होती है, मीन्स दे आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रो वेल. Hence there is a need to introduce the resistant gene into high yielding cultivated varieties. मतलब ये हुआ कि वो जो रेजिस्टेंट जीन मिला है किसी वाइल्ड वैरायटी में, उसको उस प्लांट के अंदर ब्रीडिंग करना है जिस प्लांट का प्रोडक्टिविटी ज़्यादा है, हाई यील्डिंग कल्टिवेटेड वैरायटी है, उसमें इंट्रोड्यूस करना है किसको? रेजिस्टेंट जीन को. Now this transfer of resistant gene will be done by sexual hybridization method, that is by cross pollination, cross fertilization, and that will be done between the target and the source. Target here is the high yield variety of the plant, and the source plant is the wild native species of that plant from where the gene for resistance has been brought or collected. Now example of mutation breeding, here we are talking about the example of plants where this has been done. So here the first column we are talking about crop, second column is variety and resistance to which disease. The first one is moong bean. Moong bean is in that mutation method has been utilized to make it resistant to which disease? Yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew. And second one is bhindi, we know commonly, that is scientific name is Abelmoschus esculentus. The variety's name has been given Parbhani Kranti. What is that? Parbhani Kranti, and this is resistant to disease yellow mosaic virus. Other breeding methods are there, two more. We'll just name it, we are not going to explain it. One is selection amongst soma clonal variant. What is that? Soma clonal मतलब एक जैसे, एक दूसरे क्या है, क्लोन्स हैं, which are identical to each other. Okay, what is this soma clonal variant? This is actually identical to each other, genetically identical variants we are talking, variety which are having genetically similar character. उसमें से सिलेक्शन करना है कौन से कैरेक्टर, कौन से प्लांट का कैरेक्टर अच्छा है. एंड द लास्ट फोर्थ मेथड इज जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग. आज की डेट में देखो, अगर बायोटेक्नोलॉजी is being used to produce new varieties of plants and crops so that it is utilized to produce the food crops and make it available for the public. So we'll end it here. The next topic we'll take is plant breeding for developing resistance to insect pest.